Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can simply apply a teenage look effects to your photo on CapCut. So here I've already imported a photo to my CapCut, and to find the teenage look effect, you can just go to effects and go to the body effects, and in here just wipe until you find this role category and you'll find the teenage look effect. So just click on that effect and wait for it to apply to your clip. So you can do some adjustment. You can just go with how CapCut apply it to your photo and just click on a check icon, and just like that the teenage look effect will be applied to your photo. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.